Hello everyone, this is Michael Business Consult. Today we are looking at how to edit your video. Maybe you want to enhance the quality of your video. You shoot a video, but the camera quality was not that great or that was standing for you, and you have to edit it. We have this AI video enhancer. In our previous lesson, we look at the AI photo enhancer app photo. This one is called YouTube, and it's a video editing app. We also have that of pictures. So this one also for video and pictures. So this one go a step further aside the video editing. So let's go and look at the app. So you go to that's AI video enhancer. So let's go to Play Store. I will leave the link to this application in the description of the video. So AI is video enhancer. So once you have the link, you don't have to go through this trouble of typing. You get to the direct application. So let's look at the search, and this is what I have installed already. What I am coming to is from YouTube AI Video Enhancer. The first three are from the sponsored one. They have made a payment to YouTube and they are advertising and promoting their app. So those are the one that will come first. But this one, it has a very good rating. So 4.7, so it's a very good app. Now let's open and let's try to explore. So you can enhance the quality of your picture, draw a video, you can create a video with this. Yeah, so you can AI remove, you can also expand and record, it has a recorder over there, and you can cut out, so you can take the video from its background. Normally what you know is picture background deleting, but this one can cut the person. So you can shoot a video here, and next time you're in Alabama, Alaska, Ohio, or other states in the US, or somewhere maybe in the village. Yeah, just to trick someone or just do your video editing. So we can do the AI cutout. Let's try one here. So let me take this my cartoon picture. So once the cartoon picture has been uploaded, you can also zoom in and out of the picture to fit into the frame very well. So if you're okay with the dimensions, then you can look at the area of eraser over there. Maybe some part wasn't clean where you can erase. There's a brush. You can look at the other areas. Maybe you are okay with everything. You want to change the background. There's an option to change background. If you're okay, you click on the tip over there or the correct sign there. Then you can click on a button to go to where we can change the background. So now we can see that we have different grade of color background. Assuming you are making a passport picture which will require you to use a red background, you can select on the red color grade, then that will be a passport picture for your application. So sometimes there's needless of you to go and maybe take another picture. You have a very good picture on your phone, you can edit it, though we have apps that do that of passport picture, but this one can also do the background changing for you. So here I can have my passport picture on a red background for any other online application or any printing that I want to do. So you can rate the app at this time if you think everything is good for you, but normally I would love to explore a lot of aspects of the application before I make a very honest and in-depth review on Google Play Store. So we can try with the video. This is Awaken the Giant chapter 4. I'm done with the production, just a few editing before I upload on YouTube. So you can check the playlist. That's the Mastermind Wealth Creation and Financial Freedom, whereby we look at financial books, their summaries, and this one is in-depth book. So we see that the cutting here wasn't perfect. If you are into Photoshop and editing, we could see that when you're using Adobe, you might not get a perfect cropping if you are using the magic one or the auto erase, because if you're having a very diffuse background with a lot of color grade, the cropping will not be perfect because some of the colors in the background might be part of the person or their image or the characters you are cropping. So once it detects that, it will not, it assume it to be part of the character or the person, so that place will not be cropped very well. So to have very good cropping of this, you get a very uniform background, like maybe a white background. Shoot the video in a uniform background like white, blue. So once you change, it becomes easier. There will be no blemishes and unwanted aspect for you to erase later. But if you have it that way, you can clean it with the eraser tool on the application. So you can change the background of it over there. Now I had this video from Funnel. Some guys, they went on, I'm sure they were on vacation, they went to the beach and they were having fun with some WWE wrestling stand. So you see here it has been cropped. I gave them a green background, but it's not natural. Naturally they were at the beach, so maybe I should get a place that look like a beach for them. So just change of a scene environment for them. So maybe this will not look more original, but at least we can see it like maybe they are in there. So that was RKO over there. So this one a power slam. Then that is a power slam over there, power bomb. So they are trying left of stance. Yeah. So now double power bomb over there. So they try left of stance, having a great fan over there. So a backflip. So you can change the background. So it might look like they are on over there because there was water, or let me say a beach around where they are. So if you're okay with the video, you click on the download, or you can try another video on a uniform background. So we also have cartoon other aspects, so you can explore. This one is HD quality, giving you a high quality picture, so you can edit your video as well as a picture. So let's look at this video by Apostle Joshua Selman. You see that the background is very uniform, so cropping this you don't have serious issue. Later we look at that. So here we are trying to enhance the video quality over here. So it's just for 5 seconds over there. So we are trying to enhance the video. You wait, you watch an ad, then you can have your video processed for you. So now our video is ready. This is the enhanced version of the video by Apostle Joshua Selman. If you're okay, you just click on save, or you can just look at the other options if you want to change the color grade, some effect, but some are for pro. So if you have not paid for it, you can access them. So let's look at another area aspect of this video editing app. So let's choose the first one over there just to make the image very nice. So you explore just to know the other areas. So now this is a cartoon of myself. Let's try to make it better. So you click on the unlock. So now the cartoon image of myself is being edited, still processing. You wait till everything is complete, then you can download or save it. Now this doesn't look more like me, but at least it has been enhanced. So you try to get a suitable image that you want. So let's see what we have again. So we see the U tool has their watermark there. You can click on it. Maybe watching an ad will take it away, or you have to subscribe. Normally that's what they do. Some apps, they can allow you to take off their watermark by watching an ad. Others will not allow unless you make payment for the page. So if you don't want their watermark should be there, then you either look for those that accept watching ad to take off or waive off the watermark, or you paid for the premium version. So if you're okay with it, you save it as well, then you utilize it for whatever purpose you want to use it for. So now let's try another area and aspect of this video enhancer. So let's click on this keyboard tutorial video here. We also have lasso. So we have the lasso means we want to cut. So you select an area where you want to cut from the picture. Maybe you want to crop someone out of the video. So maybe I want to crop the fingers, the part of the fingers. So now you see that part of the fingers will be off the keyboard. As usual, you have to watch an ad before you get access to the effect that you want to apply. So you can also use the brush to clean and also perfect the image over there. So just explore. If you are into editing, you know most of these things. So if you don't know, you just explore. We learn by exploring, and that is a better way not to forget what we have done. So you see that after brushing, some of the fingertips came. So the brushing or painting, some will say recovering. So recovering or brushing will bring back the edited or deleted aspect of the image or the video. So if you're okay with that, you can save, but I was just exploring, so there's no need to save that video over there. So let's look at another area to explore. So initially I told you that if you get a video with a uniform background, so this one also has a video editing tool. So you can edit your videos here instead of downloading some other video editing apps. You can use this as a video editing tool for your YouTube videos or any other thing you want to use a video editing for. So there are some range of features similar to other video editing apps which you can utilize. So if you're okay with this, you can use this as your video editing app as well. You can use to record your video, even for screen recording. For this video purpose, I'm using my phone screen video recorder, but you can also use the AI enhancer video recorder to be stored in this on. So as you can see over there, it's just like the video recorders that we know of. So if you allow it, it means it needs some permission for able to express itself as your screen recorder. So you can turn it on and utilize it. So let's move on to another aspect. So a lot of functionalities in this video app. Let's look at another editing that we can do. So as I told you earlier on, if there's a complete background, now you see that Apostle Joshua was on a blue background, but now he's on a green background. You see there's a perfect cropping of his image because the background was uniform. So once you get a video like this, you can change. Maybe he'll be in the wilderness, in the sunset. You can put him any area, but make it realistic. So now we can easily change, assume maybe he's in the woods speaking the gospel of God. Then you can see maybe standing somewhere, or if there could be a pulpit, there's an image of the pulpit, you can put him there. You can decide to use their predefined images or your own image, which you see very shortly. So the one that resonates and become realistic to what you want to portray, you select it. So you can even zoom him out so that today that he's standing in front of this other mosque or there's a pyramid somewhere preaching the word of God. So you can zoom him in or zoom him out to fit the background you want him to stand inside. So let me put him inside the entrance over there. He preaching the gospel of God. Yeah, very good. If that is okay, fine. You click on the save, and the whole video, entire video, he will be on that background. So you can see now he may be in a room, seated behind the computer, or maybe standing behind the. Because that wasn't the full picture, I can't get the feed. So you don't get something to hide or mask his lower body, it might not still realistic. So if the video has a full body, you can just put him somewhere. It will be like a person is standing in a room, but you have to hide behind something. So you can select a green background, or you click on the image that came over there, then you can get an image. As you can see the plus sign over there, so you can choose any image from your gallery to be the background for the man of God. So maybe I could have a picture of a pulpit, and I'll put him behind the pulpit like he's standing behind the pulpit preaching the gospel of Jesus Christ. So you can select any image at all if you get a good image. So I'm looking for the Watchers image. So I'm putting behind this Watchers. There's a logo. It's a midnight prayer. You can request for this link to join the WhatsApp group. We pray Saturday dawn, sorry, Sunday dawn from 12 to 1 a.m. Sunday morning. So now the video could be playing whereby Apostle Joshua Selman will be behind this background. You see other images, people came into it, so they are also cropped, and you can see moving in and out of the image. So with this, you can even shoot a video and change your background, but I recommend you shoot on a very homogeneous or uniform background, whereby when we are cropping, it will be cropped very nicely and perfectly. Then you can change to any scene that you want it to be. So you can shoot a video here in Ghana here, and you can change the background to somewhere in Los Angeles or any other country or town that you want to choose as your background. So that is how beneficial this app is. If you're okay, you click on the save, then you wait till everything download, then you have it. So this has been Sir Michael Business Consult, bringing some of these tech out tricks and a lot of playlists. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and you like and share, you comment. If there's any video you would like us to work on for you, you can put it in the comment section, and we'll be more than glad to assist you throughout this process. So if everything is saved, you have it done, then you have it over there. So you save it and everything is done. So you can try the other areas and facilities of this app. You rate it if you like it, very good. So let's comment, connect with us, share this video, and also look through the other playlists. If you're okay with them, then you learn some more. Turn notification bell so anytime we put a video out there, you'll be one of the first to benefit from it. See you on the other side. Thank you very much. We're very grateful to you subscribers, returning visitors, and let me say committed ones. We say thank you very much for supporting. And if you want any video that you want to feature you, or personally I to feature you, you can share in the comment section, and I'll get back to it in my soonest possible free time. Thank you very much.